Hey everyone, so I wanted to take a minute to talk a little bit about setting up your documents. We're going to start by setting up your poster document because really that's the thing that will create the look and feel and that will bleed off on all the other things that you're going to be doing. So we can see that our document is 12 by 18, so we're going to go ahead, we're going to go into Photoshop and we're going to create a new document. Sorry, I should have had Photoshop already open. All right, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to New Doc once we get here, and we're going to create a custom doc. And so depending on whether you want a horizontal or vertical, we're going to go with a vertical, but you should feel free to do a horizontal or vertical. So we're going to be at a height of 18 and a width of 12. Now, next thing that we need to come down and deal with is the resolution. The resolution should be at least 200, but when you're producing a document to produce professionally, your resolution should always be at 300. I recommend 200 because you may have issues finding your images, which is something we talked about last week. We're going to be setting our color mode to CMYK, so even if you did download images and you didn't change that color mode, when you copy and paste it in, it will be right. And then we're going to go with a white background for no apparent reason. So this is our document. All of you have had digital imaging, so I feel pretty comfortable assuming that you know how to set up a Photoshop document and then it has layers just like Illustrator. I'm going to be using, I'm going to use my free picks to find a dark background, and maybe I'm going to put an image on it. So I really like this kind of moody, atmospheric look. So maybe I'll choose, ooh, I like this idea of, kind of abstracted background. So maybe I choose this background. I'm going to go ahead and download it. I have an account. I'm not going to log in and drop it in. And then maybe I find some smaller images of my band, which are probably easier to find than larger. And I select them out and drop it in. The most important part of this demo really is that you have your resolution set to at least 200 and your document is at least, or well, it is 12 by 18 for this Photoshop document. So that's the whole goal of this. After that, you can add layers and collage to your heart's content. Thank you.